commercial grade drone, not commercial grade, a toy basically. And then I'm able to actually do something with it without using a controller. So let me just do a quick test of this. So this is a very good example of human-machine interface. So I do not need to be tethered to a remote control, which I use both hands. If I wanted, I can actually control 2 drones with my both hands. Right? This is just a gesture control. So welcome to the future, and this is going to be something that is going to be in our lives. So let me just. So this is something that pretty soon you guys will be able to do. And with that, I actually thank you so much for inviting us, Maker Bay, to come to give a talk about drones. And now I'm going to move on to the next section, which I think all of you already know what it is, because right in front of you you have the package.